Want to work with spreadsheets using LibreOffice Calc? Calc lets you organize data, perform calculations, create charts, and analyze information without needing a paid Office suite. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use LibreOffice Calc in 2026. So let's get started. First, open LibreOffice Calc from the Start menu or LibreOffice Start Center. Choose Spreadsheet to create a new workbook. You'll see a grid made up of rows and columns, with each individual box called a cell. Next, enter your information into the cells. You can use columns for categories and rows for individual records, such as names, dates, quantities, or prices. You can select your data and use the formatting tools to change fonts, alignment, number formats, borders, and other options. Now let's use a formula to calculate some results. Select an empty cell and enter a formula beginning with an equals sign. For example, you can add values together, calculate an average, or multiply cells to create automatic calculations. If you're working with a larger spreadsheet, sorting and filtering can make your data much easier to manage. Select your data and use the data menu to access the available sorting and filtering tools. Filtering is especially useful when you only want to display rows that match specific conditions. Next, you can turn your data into a visual chart. Select the relevant cells and choose the chart option from the toolbar or insert menu. Choose a chart type that makes sense for your data, then review the title, labels, and other chart settings. Finally, open the File menu and choose Save As. Enter a file name, select a location, and choose the format you need. So once your spreadsheet is saved, you can continue editing it later or export it to a format that's easier to share. And that's how to use LibreOffice Calc. Enter and format your data, use formulas for calculations, sort and filter information, create charts, and save your finished spreadsheet. Once you understand these basics, Calc becomes a powerful tool for managing everyday data and spreadsheets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.